how to make a paper bullock carts for Pongal. So this is a very easy way of making a paper bullock carts and it is useful too. So in Tamil we call this as a matuvandi. So now without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this beautiful and cute bullock cart. So first we'll be starting out by making the wheels for the bullock cart. So for this I'm just going to be taking two small circular pieces of paper of pinkish orange color. So you guys can take any color you prefer. So now I'm just going to be drawing the wheels. So I'm just going to be drawing one line like this in the center and another line over here. So it's just going to be like an Ashoka Chakra. So I'm just going to be doing it for the wheels. So you guys can use your own creativity to design the wheels if you like. So if you want to make it more stronger, you could just stick two pieces of paper like this, or you could stick this paper in a piece of cardboard. So you can also draw these lines after you complete sticking it onto the bullock cart at the end, but if you do that it will be a little hard, so I prefer you guys draw this now. So now it's completed for one wheel and I'm going to be doing it for the other wheel. So you guys can use your own creativity to design this as I said, and you can use different color paper, different designs and everything you like. You can even use a marker, or you don't even have to draw this if you don't like it. So I'm just going to be drawing a few more lines for this on these sides like this. So I'm just going to be using a black marker, so you guys can use any color. So after we complete this, we'll be having two wheels for the two sides of the bullock cart. So next, as you guys see, I just made like one tube-like structure over here to stick it. So I'm just going to be turning this paper and I'm taking another rectangular piece of paper like this. So you guys can take these cuttings based on the size you're making the bullock cart. So I'm just going to be rolling it gently like this. So I'm just going to be opening it again. I'm going to be rolling it slowly like this time. So I'm just going to be taking a glue bottle. And I'm going to be applying some glue at the corner part of the paper like this. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be rolling this slowly and gently. And I'm just going to be sticking it over here. So for all the gluing part, you have to give it a lot of time to dry or it won't look nice. So the next step I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be pressing on it nice and well. Now I'm just going to be taking a scissor and I'm cutting the paper at the corners like this. So this is just for make it stick onto the wheel. So if you do this only, it will stick properly. So now I'm just going to be opening this part over here. So you guys can cut how much ever times you like. And I'm going to be cutting it from this side of the paper as well. So please do it slowly. Not do it in a hurry as I said. So I'm going to be using two different color papers for this activity. So this is pink and another one is like a light purple. So you guys can use any color you prefer as I said. Now I'm just going to be folding this part over here like this. So now I'm just going to be applying some glue onto this folded parts over here that we cut out. So you guys please use a glue bottle and do not use a glue stick because the glue stick won't work perfectly. Now I'm just going to be taking one part of the paper and I'm sticking it on the top part as we glued. Now I'm rotating it to the opposite side and I'm applying some glue onto this side. So please do this slowly, and now I'm going to be taking the other part, the circular part, and I'm going to be sticking it gently like this. So please make sure that you stick it in a line so properly, so it's equal on both the sides. So if you have something like uneven, just stick it properly again. So this will take a lot of time to stick properly, so please give it a lot of time to dry. And I'm just going to be turning it from this side and I'm sticking it too. So I'm just going to be pressing on it nice and well since it needs a lot of time to dry. So I'm just going to be sticking on it gently like this. I'm going to give it some time. So give it like about 5 to 10 minutes to dry and just use a scissor or anything and just press it from the top so that it will stick properly. Now after it's completely dry, I'm just going to be taking it off. So now I'm just going to be keeping it like this, so it will be rolling like this. So as you guys see, we have completed the wheel part. Now I'm just going to be doing this part for here. So for this, I'm just going to be taking another color paper of the same color and I'm just going to be cutting it into two parts like this. So after we cut it, I'm just going to be folding this paper gently like this over here slowly. So you guys not have to roll it, just fold it like this. And if you guys made it in a bigger size, at last we can cut it. So after we complete this, we can cut it out. So I'm just going to be applying some glue over here and I'm sticking it like this. So we're almost going to be completing the bottom part of the bullock cart. So I'm just going to be repeating the same step on the opposite side of the paper. So please make sure that all the sides are equal and in length. If you guys want, you can take a different color paper as I said in the beginning. So I'm just going to be sticking this paper over here as well. So I'm just going to be pressing on it nice and well, and now I'm just going to be taking these two parts and I'm going to be sticking them like this. So I'm just going to be sticking them on top and we're going to be making it like this. So I'm just going to be applying a lot of glue over here, so please apply more glue and sufficient enough of glue to stick it. And I'm going to be taking this part and I'm sticking it gently over here. So I'm just going to be applying some glue over here as well, and I'm going to need a lot of time to dry. So all the procedure needs a lot of time, so please not do it in a hurry, as I said. Now I'm just going to be seeing if this fits the sides over here. So if it does, I'm just going to be pressing it a little bit over here onto the side. We're going to be sticking out lightly, gently like this. And I'm going to be applying some glue over here and some glue over here as well. So just apply a little bit of glue and I'm just going to be sticking these two parts over here. So you guys can spread the glue. I'm just going to be sticking this and I'm pressing it, and I'm going to be sticking this from this side. So now I'm just going to be placing it onto the bottom part like this. So now we'll get a structure like this. So if this comes out, please stick it nice and well. So as I said, it requires a lot of time to dry, and if you do it in a hurry, it won't turn out well. So now I'm just going to be taking another piece of paper like this, and I'm just going to be rolling it. So I'm taking a small piece of paper like this, and I'm rolling it, and at last I'm just going to be applying some glue at this corner part of the paper, gently like this, and I'm rolling it. So please make this nice and strong. And now I'm just going to be pressing it from this side so that it will be like a round shape. And I'm going to be applying some glue on the top portion part of the paper over here, gently. Do not apply too much glue. Apply this much glue. I'm going to be lifting this up and I'm going to be putting this over here. So this will just act like a stand for the bullock cart. So now the bottom part is entirely ready. Now we only have to make the top part of the cart. So for this I'm just going to be taking a purple color paper and I'm going to be cutting out the right amount of paper needed. So I'm just going to be cutting out like this much over here. So I'm just going to be checking like this. I'm going to be keeping it like this. So I'm just going to be turning this paper and I'm going to apply, sticking this paper, folding it in half like this from both the sides, and I'm going to be opening it and I'm going to be seeing if this part will be fitting over here. So now I'm just going to be applying some glue over here. Since we're going to be sticking that portion at the top, I'm going to be applying here. So sometimes this part might come out, so you can just keep it aside, and after we complete you can stick it. So you guys can even put more decoration onto it. So I'm just going to be doing it simply. So you guys can put more decoration as you prefer. So I'm just going to be sticking it gently, and I'm going to be applying some glue on the bottom part over here as well, and I'm sticking it onto the wheel over here. So please apply more glue for the proper stick, to stick it properly. Now I'm just going to be taking some more paper from the top. So it needs to be measured to the same size, so like this much. And I'm just going to be cutting out a paper like this. One second, please wait. So I'm just going to be sticking it over here like this. So I'm not going to be sticking it fully like that. So I'm just not going to be sticking it fully like this into the side of the paper, as I said. I'm just going to be sticking it on the back portion over here like this, and I'm going to be giving some space at the front part. So I'm just going to be applying some glue over here onto these portions over here like this, and I'm going to be repeating the same step onto this side of the paper. Now I'm just going to be taking the paper and I'm going to be sticking it over here gently like this. So please do it slowly. And now I'm going to be taking this paper and I'm sticking it onto this side over here as well. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be sticking this part that we cut out at the beginning, and I'm sticking it onto the bottom part. So if you guys want, you can just cut it over here, but it's not necessary. You can just keep it like this, it's the correct size. But if you do that, it will be looking more beautiful and cute. So you guys can put more decoration. If you want, you can just take a piece of paper over here and you can stick it at the back part of the bullock cart like this. So after we complete this, our paper bullock cart is ready. So please make sure that you give it a lot of time to dry so that it turns out perfectly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. Thank you for watching. Bye.